always keep a smile when they want me to frown. The vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown. They will never ever take my crown.
Nah.
They will never ever take my crown.
Nah. I'm still shit. I'm rich already. Fuck around, we'll be reading your obituary. My whip clean, my watch clean. 9 carats, ho, that's what I call a pinky ring. Don't even trip, my heart cold. I'm around the globe, I'm on parole. I ball hard, I go hard. They say I'm grinding, up to no good, oh God. Shawty work that, when she work that. She a 10 and she damn close to perfect. I might want stunt, throw 100 racks. Give my man a strap, he gon' get my money back. I'm dead alright, I'm super hood. I'm shitting on these niggas like they knew I would. I'm dead alright, I'm super hood. I'm shitting on these niggas like they knew I would.
Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found no weapon, just only a drug. They found no weapon, just only a drug. They found no weapon, just only a drug.
Gram after gram, time after time, I got the grind. I can't help it, I got the shine. I do it big, you stupid big. I can feel like half the projects in my crib. You stick around, I'm out of here. You on the ground, I'm in the leer. I love yachts, banana boats. Either way it come, a nigga got to get the dope. They don't make me mad, now I'm in my bag. And I'm back with the strap, just in case, be the case, rich nigga swag. Every step I take, every little itty bitty move I make, turn the big bags of birthday cake. I can even fit this shit in my safe. Wait, got more money coming, try not to hate. Why you think in and out of state? I'm a pro on the low when I operate. I get the bread, I blow the bread. I'm flashy, I'm shining. I get the bread, I blow the bread. And my bitches, my diamonds.